Hello again. Today I've got something interesting to show you. Now remember that Xbox video I did, not just a couple of years ago, where I showed you that this Xbox, when I put in a DVD with the THX logo, it only played like 2 or so of the channels by themselves. Well, I decided to take it up better here. As you'll see, this Xbox One's gonna turn on here. Hold on. Oh, actually, I have to unplug that first. Alright. So, you're gonna see. I did this off camera yesterday. I've tested a DVD with the DTS logo because on my DVD players, the DTS logo wouldn't play sound, probably because we don't have a 5.1 equipment or whatever. Well, all that changes right now. All because of this Xbox. I'm about to put it in, and once the Xbox One loads up, there we go. We're gonna put it in. I'm gonna turn on the controller, and then it's gonna pop up here. Let's just, yeah, we're gonna get a second here. Alright. Alright, guys. Are you ready for this? I sure am. 3, 2, 1. How crazy is that? The Xbox One actually makes the DTS logo play sound. In fact, I'm gonna get another DVD that has a different DTS logo. I believe we'll try Panic Room next. Let's see. I haven't tested this yet, I don't think, but I'm pretty sure it will have the DTS logo, just a different one since it's for Chloe TriStar. So let's give it a second. I'm just gonna put it down for a second. Let's just get it to yeah, and this is not even 5.1 semi, this is stereo, and yet this Xbox One is acting like I'm using 5.1. Alright, let's, oh, sorry. That was just my controller almost fell. Look at that. Like, there's literally no way this Xbox One has the DTS logo playing sound. Like, I know Martin's Blu-ray Portable has that. I don't think any of my portable DVDs do that, but this Xbox One, I don't think my other two Xbox Ones would do that. I cannot believe this one did. So there you have it. This Xbox One can actually play sound on the DTS logo. So yeah, that's it. And I'll see you around. Bye.